What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now we finally got it. We finally have the iPad Pro with the M4 chip. It arrived just literally about a few hours ago. We've done the YouTube short unboxing. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave it up here for you guys to check out. So we've done the unboxing, little short. Now we're moving on to accessories. So we've got a few keyboard cases, a few normal cases, and now we've got this right here. So this is the ESR Ultra Tempered Glass Screen Protector. It's a 2-pack. It's military grade protection in the Armorite series. £110 of impact resistance and bubble free application, but we will check that out. Tech made easier on the side and on the back. Armorite series, £110, precise alignment, bubble free application. Now it says for the 12.9, which has got me a little bit baffled because it's the 13. Picture on the front here shows the cutout for the unlocking camera on the top. Go ahead and take it out of the box. Okay, so ESR branding on the top of this. Go ahead and take it off. So scan to watch a quick setup video on that part. So there is one of the protectors. So 2 cleaning kits, 2 screen protectors. I'm taking that the iPad would actually go in this, and it shows where the camera cutout would lay just here. And then let's place in the iPad Pro because it's going to need a good cleaning. So let's bring it over, slap it in like so. Okay, so that's in. So now let's see what's in the cleaning kit. Includes a wet wipe, microfiber cloth and dust removal stickers. Go ahead and take it out. So microfiber, dust removal stickers, and of course the wet wipe. So I always start with the wet wipe, but people always complain about the Zeiss wipe, so we'll do it with the ESR one. It is super wet, by the way, this cloth, so you know, just bear that in mind because you're going to need to clean that screen properly. So just go over the screen. There we go. Got all the fingerprints that you've just put on there. What I'll do is I'll just take this and just dust over it ever so slightly, and then whatever's left, I'll get the dust removal sticker, rip off the big one. I always go for the biggest, and then I just literally dot around the screen anywhere I can find any form of dust that seems to be laying. Okay, so when you think you've got it sorted, you're going to take this piece right here, and then as you can see, you're going to take off the backing. So there, so number 1. So you're going to peel up from number 1, which is in the bottom corner, like so. Be careful not to touch the screen protector, and then place it over this part right here. So place it over, and then peel it, take it off, and then slot it over the little slot right here. And then you're going to push it number 2, and you're going to slide your finger all the way down. So you're going to push it 2 and slide your finger down. You can do it as many times as you like, just till you think you may have got a good fitting on it, and then just let it do its thing. Okay, so when you think it's all sorted, you're going to peel off from this part right here. So just start peeling down. Got some bubbles right there, but I'll take them out. And then take your microfiber. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over the screen, and you're going to try and get out everything that you possibly can, get all the air bubbles out. Okay, so that's pretty much as good as I'm going to be able to get it. I have got a couple of bits where it hasn't settled quite yet. The glue is not quite set underneath yet, but it will get there. It will do it, but it doesn't look too bad right now. So if we go ahead and switch the iPad back on, as you can see, I've got a small couple of like little bubbly bits, but they're not bubbles, they're just where the glue hasn't quite formed because it's been a bit damp there with the cloth. So let's go ahead and open it up. It is on full brightness. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. It's now got a nice screen protector protecting that OLED 13-inch screen. So there we go. So all nice and fully fitted now. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave links to the screen protector kit for the iPad Pro in the links in the description down below. I'll leave it for the new 11 and the 13 description down below. Be sure to let me know what you think. I mean, yeah, that's a nice trouble-free install, but it does get a few bubbles and you will have to try and work them out as best as you can. But don't forget, if you see any of these little dots on the top, try not to worry. They will eventually go away. You just got to keep at them. Because these are so damp, you can try everything you can to get it off with this, but you're bound to miss a little like piece of it. But don't worry, it will come out eventually. There's no issue with that whatsoever. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn the notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. And let me know if there's anything you want to see with the new iPad Pro. See you soon, guys.